Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel again. My name is Ede Majanke and I'm a business development officer with a brokerage company. So yesterday we did a video about how to take a position. That was yesterday. And I hope you really enjoyed the video. So this morning we'll be working on this asset class, which is GBUSD. I'm using the HF Market SV demo account. This particular video or the video we're doing. And we'll be working on a GPUSD to see how best some of us we can make some small money out of the market this morning. So you could see that since last month I placed this particular trade, using a lot size of 0.02 for this particular trade. And at the moment I'm at $84.22 for this particular trade. So what are we seeing here? The market did some downtrend, started doing some 33 waves. So let's use our trend line to draw this 3 waves. Let's draw them. Let's draw them. This is the first 3, and this is our second. This is our second 3. So 3, 3. So looking at what we are seeing here today, it could be a possible 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3. Harmonics. So at the moment we are seeing something like a mini flash because we could see that it didn't break the bottom. It didn't break the bottom. It didn't break the bottom. They are all at the same level. It didn't break the bottom. You could see that it didn't break the bottom. It didn't break the bottom. You can see that they are the same level. So we did a 3 and another 3. So there's possibility that it could be another 3 up or a 5 wave. This is what we could see this morning. So let's use the Fibonacci ratio to see what we will have here. So first of all, let's do this. So looking at the first 3, another 3, there could be a possible, we could get a possible bigger 3. So this is the first wave, the second wave, a possible third wave. It could be that. So something like a zigzag. I hope so. So let's use the Fibonacci ratio. Let's use the Fibonacci ratio to see where our C will be getting to. So we have A, B, and possible C. I hope you can see a possible C. Okay, so a possible C here. A possible C here. So a possible C here. So when you use the Fibonacci ratio, you can see that at the moment we are at, using a rectangle, the shapes go to insert shape. We are at 78.6 at the moment. And this ratio, this way a harmonic status. So we could get to 1.27 Fibonacci ratio. Yeah. So those who are buying, guys, continue buying. Continue buying. So our C, so our C will be here. So we have A, B, C. So our C will be here. Our C will be here. And at the moment we are at the moment we are 78 points. 78.6. And just imagine those who are buying since last month, how much they could make. Just imagine how much they could make. Just look at the number of pips they could make on this DPUSD. So guys, enjoy your trade. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy your trade this morning. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy it. I'm so happy because so many of my friends have called me for this particular trade. And they are so happy about how the trade is going. So let me tell you this, guys. Anytime someone did analysis and give to you that's something that could be possible to buy, the market doesn't go straight. The market does some waves, some waves, some waves, some waves. So you won't get it straight. You could do a buy and within you can get some small flags inside. And look at the time frame I'm using. I'm using a 1-day time frame. So it won't go straight. So whenever you're placing your trade, kindly be careful. Be very careful when you're placing your trade. Always be very careful when you're placing your trade. When you look at the RSI 70-30, at the moment we are still within the 70 and the 30 here. You're still within the here. You're still within it. Hasn't broke the top. So guys, whenever you're placing this particular trade, be very careful. The market won't do anything straight. You do a small uptrend, a small flag, or patterns or a triangle or anything before you go and hit the 1.2772. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you really enjoyed the video and also really enjoy it because I'm in this trade and so many of my friends are also in this trade. So guys, enjoy your day and I hope yesterday's video was wonderful. My voice, I realized that my voice wasn't sounding so high, so I'm very sorry about that. So guys, enjoy your day and see you tomorrow. Bye.